Ciao world. This is the pedal I'm trying to repair. It's a pedal from an Italian brand. It's Mendoza, Fattoria Mendoza, and this is called Macchina del Tempo. I investigate a little bit. What I found here is that it has this main board and a few point-to-point board here, and it simply doesn't work. I mean, it turns on, but the tap tempo doesn't work, and so let's see if it's something related to the power stage. And if you look here on the back side, you can find that this is a PT80 tap delay. So I think they have buy the board from PT80. I don't know, maybe someone replaced this, because I have not buy this from Fattoria Mendoza. Maybe it is not their original design and someone put this board inside this pedal. I don't know. Anyway, let's check why it doesn't work. I think I found something. This little puppy here is a step-up regulator, and I think it's a doubler. It means that it gets 9 volts from the input and output 18 volts. And then there are two here, you can see. Let me show you. Here there are two regulator, voltage linear regulator, 7812, 7805, and I have injected the input voltage of 14 volts, and the tap now works. So let's see if I can find this chip here and replace with a new one. And this is the problem with this pedal. You see, when the tap LED blink, you can hear a clicky sound, like, I don't know if you can hear, let's see. There's a click, 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 click. And it's related to the LED. So let's try to fix this. One thing I have done was to replace all the component and solder directly to the board some of the component that was soldered on this pin header here, like the power regulator, and this make the pedal less noise. Also, I have changed the supply here, this switched voltage supply that has some problem. I don't know, there are some noise also coming from this. As done, what I've done is to change the output circuit to the LED. That was a simple resistor. It was a 417 resistor, and I have put a 2200 resistor in series with an 100 resistor, and in the middle of these two there's a 10 microfarad ceramic capacitor, and this is an RC filter, so it will delay just a little bit the LED, but it will prevent the popping. Also, one thing that helps prevent the popping, I have had a 10 microfarad electrolytic capacitor in the power supply of this IC here, that I think is an ATTini. Anyway, let's see. It is now turned on, and you can hear nothing. You can hear just barely the volume is turning all up, but and you can hear, but previously there was really a loud pop. This the normal volume, which you cannot hear the LED. And now it's time for a small demo of this pedal. As you can hear, there's no tap tempo noise coming out from the amplifier, and what we have here is the through bypass on off control, the tap tempo control, tone control, delay control, repeat, level, which is wet and dry signal, as someone has a volume control for this pedal, and it sounds like this.